Hi, Andrea here. Okay, so here is the thought for today, the inquiry for today. It's how could you be even more loving? Um, we go day to day, we get into kind of ruts, we get into like habits, and it's same, right? A lot of the time. And that's okay, nothing wrong with it. So I, as a coach, ask him empowering questions. And so here's the question for today. How could you be even more loving? Imagine that. Just imagine that you're shifting to consciously being even more loving. What might that look like? It could be you're more vocal, right? You express love more. It could be it's through your actions, you show it. There's no one way to do this, but it could be being gentler. It could be just opening up and being just full in love and bursting with it. You choose, but how could you do it? Can't wait to see your thoughts in the comments below. Have a great day.